Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome to Homesteading the Right Way.
Right now we are still on our farm tour trip up north in North Georgia, and we are going to Mericer Orchards.
Yep.
Pretty sure that's how you say it. It is a little bit more out of our way than the other farms have been. It's where is it at?
I want to say Blue Ridge.
Blue Ridge. Anyways, it's just a little bit farther, like not super out of the way. But so yeah, this is a little more of a drive. We're excited about this one. It's just another apple orchard.
Yep, and we'll have links to all the farms and the passport thing down below.
Yep.
So yeah, enjoy. We're gonna try hitting a couple in this video also. So have fun.
Yep. Enjoy it.
Apple orchards. We've left Mericer Farms. That place was huge.
Yeah, it was really big. It was pretty out there.
Yeah, it was gorgeous. They had not as much, I want to say, for kids wise to do, but farm wise, like apples and everything, they had a lot more. We're working on it, Emma, and yeah, I mean, you could get almost anything from them. They had honey and stuff from all the other farms.
Yeah, it was really cool. They had all kinds of stuff.
They had donut mix stuff we could have got. I'm trying to think what else they had.
They had a bakery with lots of donuts and breads and all kinds of stuff. And they had a cafe, but it was, I guess it's closed right now.
Yeah.
Because of COVID, but
it was an awesome farm, though. You got anything else on that one?
nope. And it was really cool. And the whole area was super pretty.
Yeah. This is a gorgeous area. And now we're on our way to
Red Apple Barn.
There you go.
Yeah.
So here we go.
red apple barn really quick while the kids, because Jackson's napping and everything. So it was a cute little place.
Yeah, 1 second.
I mean, it was a lot like the other ones, just all kinds of the same kind of stuff in a whole area to pick apples, and it was really cool. And I really didn't film a lot of it because there was people in there, and I felt
It seemed like a smaller place.
it was a smaller place, so it felt a little weird recording. But yeah, but it was really cute. And
overlooked a good hillside.
yeah. And so now we're going to this farm that we're going to now, and the next are both Penland. They're called Penland farms or something. I will correct myself later if that is wrong. But there's like one. The one I'm going to now is a, I think, is it the stand?
I don't remember.
There's a stand, like a roadside stand, and an actual like bigger place. So I'm not even quite sure which one we're going to at this point.
The kids are over this.
You will see, the kids are very over this trip. But that's fine. We're having a good time. So you will see if it's a stand or a place in a minute. We just left the first Penland's farm, and it was kind of like a big old building. It was a little bit, it didn't have as much apples as all the other places we've been, but it was still like a lot of varieties. Travis didn't go in. I ran in again without the kids.
I was gonna say, this one again was another smaller one of them.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, when we first rolled up, there was one other family there, and they were leaving, and then it was just you in the store by yourself, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Well, and the cashier.
All the other places we've been to have been kind of packed, and that one was pretty empty. But
We actually got apples there.
Yeah, we got apples at this one.
Arkansas Black. It's an apple I've wanted to try growing. I don't know if it'll grow where we're at, so I thought it'd be good to try one before you ever buy the tree.
Yeah, it would be good to see if you like it first.
Yeah.
And then I got some Mutsu, which I've never tried that, but I asked the cashier lady what would be best for doing some like caramel apples, or some caramel apple nachos, which is one of our favorite treats during the fall. And she said Mutsu was her favorite. She thought they're perfect for caramel, and so that's what I got. So we're gonna see how those are.
Yep. Now we're on to the next one, which this should be the roadside stand one.
Yeah, we'll see. That's what it said online. So